Looking down. Emails. Looking through his email mailboxes. Opening the junk folder. Lots of unread messages there. He's just scrolling through them. All inboxes. LT53OMR, Lima Tango 53 Oscar Mike Romeo. Got a bigger queue going the other way, mate. Okay, just heard the back camera go off. Run out of battery, no doubt. Don't think you were meant to be using your phone there, mate.
Sorry?
I don't think you were meant to be using your phone there. I was watching you. How long do you think I was there filming you going through your emails?
I don't know. Do you do that a lot of time?
Yep.
Okay. I don't have any battery, so I'm not driving anywhere. But good observation. Thank you very much.
We'll see whether the police want to prosecute you or not. That's up to them.
Appreciate that.
Don't use your phone, eh? American accent. Said I had good observation when better than your observation, mate. You didn't even know I was there.